In this lecture, we are going to learn fillet feature in Catia. First, draw a random 3D part. This is the dresser feature toolbar. Here, you can find a fillet feature. There are different types of fillet. First, select edge fillet. Give 10 mm radius to the fillet. Now, select the object for fillet. Select this edge. Here, you can see different selection mode. Right now, select tangency. Click on preview. So, in this way, you can create a fillet in Catia. Again, select edge fillet. Select this edge. Our selection mode is tangency. That's why it selected the whole edge. Make it minimal. OK. Now you can see that only this edge is selected. So this is the edge fillet. Now select variable radius fillet. Select this edge. Now we want to create a multiple points on this edge. 2 points are selected now. First and second. Now click on this and click on this edge to create multiple points. Now give some radius to this point 5 mm. Create another point and give radius of 15 mm. Here you can see that these points created a variable radius fillet. OK. So this is the variable radius fillet. This time select caudal fillet. You can see that on the place of radius it is asking for caudal length. Now select the edge to fillet. So this is the caudal length. Click on preview. You can see that the fillet created at 10 mm caudal length. Now change the length to 15 mm. Now fillet is adjusted to 15 mm caudal length. OK. So in this way you can create a fillet by giving a caudal length. Now select face fillet option. Give some fillet radius. Now select two faces about which you want to give fillet. Now you can see that it created a fillet between the selected faces. Again select face fillet, give 5 mm radius. Select this face and this face. So in this way we can create a fillet between two faces in Catia.